What a week it is for Bills football. Obviously, a lot of hype. This one's in Buffalo, and it is the nemesis, the Kansas City Chiefs. The Bills have fared very well during the regular season in recent days against the Chiefs. But let's talk about the importance of this one.
Yeah, I think this one matters a bit more than I think the previous regular season ones, mainly because the Bills whooped Carolina in Carolina, but that didn't really do much for their stock, especially amongst the fan base and even potentially across like league rankings and power rankings and media and narratives and all that stuff. The Chiefs have been on the rise. So you want to keep pace with the Chiefs and stay ahead of them. So if the Bills beat them in this game, they'll be up by 2 in the loss column, and they'll have that head-to-head tiebreaker, which is awesome. And so I think there is a little more emphasis for the logistics of this individual season. The Bills have beaten the Chiefs in the regular season, and it's awesome to do that, but it doesn't really carry the weight it did like when they first started to do that in 2022 and 2023 and so on. It's become much more playoff focused, like you mentioned.